You see the plate number? It says Zen. Now, the interesting fact over here is, like, if you want a plate number with the name that you like, or with your name, or any name that you want, you pay one time. It's like one-off cost. Like for Uganda, it's about $7,000, and in Kenya, it's about $10,000. So you pay $10,000, you get this number plate and name plate. Actually, I would say number plate. I would say name plate, and you can carry it with you lifetime. I mean, if you change your car, if you get a new car, you can use the same plate on the new car. So in Uganda, you have to pay this money to URA, that's Uganda Revenue Authority, and if you're in Kenya, you have to pay the money to KRA. This is the information I want to share in this video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay blessed. Peace.
And this kind of